Wood processing is one of the vital pipe and activities of forestry in the country, as it adds economic value to log and diversify products come from it. In this video, we will discuss the revised regulations set by the government in the establishment and operations of wood processing plants. DENR Administrative Order No. 2021-05, or the revised regulations governing the establishment and operations of wood processing plants, is the outcome of the collaboration between DENR, Forest Management Bureau, and the OST, Forest Products Research and Development Institute. This new guideline supersedes the Ministry Administrative Order No. 50 of 1986. It amends the following: updated the formula in the computation of annual wood requirement, wood processing plant permit validity, inventory requirement, reformulated fees and bonds consistent with DAO 2004-16, promotion of vertical integration, and updated approving authorities for new applications and renewal. Here are the qualified applicants for wood processing plant permit application: a Filipino individual or sole proprietorship, a private corporation, partnership, or association duly registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission or SEC, holders of existing forest tenure instruments such as IFMA, SIFMA, and CBFMA holders, and lastly, owners and operators of existing wood processing plants. Where to file the application? All applications shall be filed in the DENR field office who has jurisdiction over the area where the wood processing plant is targeted to be established. And when is it considered filed? An application is considered filed when all the requirements are completed with corresponding receiving stamps of the concerned DENR field office. The application requirements are simply as follows: duly accomplished application form, official receipt as proof of payment for the application fee or permit fee. For individual persons, document reflecting proof of Filipino citizenship, such as birth certificate or certificate of naturalization. For the corporation, partnership, or cooperation, a copy of certificate of registration and corresponding articles issued by the Securities and Exchange Commission or SEC, authorization issued by the corporation, partnership, or association in favor of the person signing the application, feasibility study or business plan, business permit issued by the concerned municipal or city mayor, copy of the environmental compliance certificate issued by the Environmental Management Bureau, proof of sustainable sources of logs for a period of at least 5 years, evidence of ownership of machineries. It can be a notarized affidavit of ownership, GIS-generated map with corresponding geotag photos showing the location of the WPP, and finally, certification from the concerned regional office that the WPP is not within the illegal logging hotspot. Now let's talk about the computation of annual wood requirement. Basically, annual wood requirement is the volume of the wood input needed to sustain the operation of a wood processing plant at full or attainable capacity for a period of 1 year. The computation of annual wood requirement depends on the type of facilities to be installed in a wood processing plant, which can be any of the following: regular or mini sawmill, veneering, plywood or blackboard, and fiberboard or particle board, or any other wood-based panels, and/or wood treating plant, or integrated wood processing plant, which is a combination of 2 to 3 types of wood processing plants. Meanwhile, as prescribed by DAO 2004-16, the fees and bonds shall include the following: application fee for wood processing or manufacturing plants is equal to 600 pesos per application. Annual permit fee to operate, which ranges from 900 to 1,200 pesos, dependent on the daily rated capacity of the WPP. Annual permit fee for all wood-based panel plants operated independently from the primary wood processing plants, which ranges from 2,200 up to 9,000 pesos, dependent on the daily rated capacity of the plant. And annual fee for all wood treating plants, which is 3,600 pesos. Note that there is a surcharge of 8% per month in case of late payment of the required fees. This is DENR Administrative Order number 2021-05.